Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my Starfire makeup when I cosplay her. It's a pretty basic makeup, but the eyebrows. So I'm going to be applying my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation first in the shade 110. And I spilt it on my makeup. So I'm using my wet beauty blender and I'm just applying that all over my face. Alright, so once you have that all blended out, so I'm going to be applying my Kat Von D concealer under my eyes. I'm doing triangles around my forehead and my chin to add some highlight and conceal. Look at that beautiful face. So next is my translucent powder that I basically have none left of. So we're going to scrounge what I can and put that under my eyes, and everywhere else I added concealer. We're going to put my foundation, my powder foundation, in the same shade as my liquid foundation to set my foundation in place. Don't forget your neck, kids. So we have my Too Faced contour palette, and I'm going to take the Cool Tone Brown to contour my cheeks. Put some under my chin to define my jawline, my nose, and now I'm going to bronze it with my Physician Formula bronzer. I'm going to put that over on my forehead and on my cheeks where I contoured. Next is my eyeshadow. So I'm putting the shade Tempera all over my eyes to have a nice base when I go to blend other colors on. So I picked up the warm taupe color and I'm putting that into my crease. And then I'm going to define the crease with the color Cypress Umber. And I use the same eyeshadow brush basically for everything. So now I'm putting the sparkly gold shade Temperavia. I don't know how to pronounce that right. On my lids. You can wet your brush to make it stand out more. So under my eyes I'm putting the warm taupe shade too, and I'm just mushing the fluffy brush to make it more flat and then blending that out. Blush time. There, my Tarte blush. I got that at Sephora for my rewards. Next is eyeliner. This is a really old Maybelline felt tip eyeliner that dried out, so I'm just using that as the applicator and using a gel liner because I like the way it applies it. now for the eyebrows, which is the fun part and the thing that sets this look apart. So that's the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in Unicorn Blood. And I'm taking an eyebrow brush, an angled brush, and just defining my eyebrows with that. I'm just going over my natural eyebrow shape and thinning it out at the front with the spoolie to make it look more natural. And the lips. This is Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in Celebrity Skin. I pretty much use this for most of my cosplays because it looks so beautiful and natural, and Starfire doesn't wear too much makeup. Oh, I almost forgot mascara. So this is L'Oreal's mascara, the voluminous one in black. This is my go-to mascara that I use all the time. Oh, but wait, don't forget to set it, so when you're at your cons all day long, your makeup doesn't go anywhere. And fan it off with your beautiful contour palette. And there you have it. You just gotta pop on your wig so you don't look so crazy with your red eyebrows. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.